Welcome to Glam Tones. In this butterfly nail powder inspired episode, we are going to make some 3D butterflies. I am so excited about today's look. I think it came out so stupendously gorgeous. I love them so much. And even though one nail has the tiniest mistake, I'm transcending that and just loving the look anyway. There you go, and you'll see at the end. Guys, my throat doesn't hurt at all, but my voice is going out, so I'm not positive you're getting an entire full voiceover. You might just have some nice music in the background, and I'll pop in here and there. I'm going to talk, and if things get crazy, I'm just going to let the video speak a little for itself, but, you know, with little pop-ins from me. So what we've got here is some acetate, one of the little sheets. I'm assuming it's acetate. Nobody told me it was. Okay, so it just seems like that feeling to it, but it's on top of the water decals, right? So don't cut those, guys, save them. You never know what you might need a clear sheet of plastic for. And this works really good for this. Now the stickers themselves, they're a little bit see-through. All you're really seeing are the silver outline of the butterfly and the veining on the wings. So these butterfly stickers lend themselves really nicely to making these 3D wings. We're taking that gel that I made and just building a wing out of it, just using it with this dotting tool. I tried different ways. I used brushes and whatnot, but I found the dotting tool, a very small dotting tool, gave me the exact precision I was going for. This gel is thin, but not too thin. It stays where you want it to stay, but if you use a thicker gel, it strings too much and pulls up too much on the plastic. So I recommend like a medium to thinner consistency gel for something like this. And you absolutely want to keep it sheer, because that way you're going to see through the wing. You could do a darker one though, so that just, I don't know why I said it had to be sheer. It doesn't have to be sheer. You could do darker. We're going to play with this some more, because as you can see, I got a lot of butterflies here, and I'm really intrigued by this process. This particular look has 2 butterflies, guys. I'm only going to show you one. We're going to save the rest of that footage for another time, probably a short. So now, as you can see, I did clean the sticky layer off that wing. That is very important. You do not want that sticky layer to interfere with that sticker sticking down on that gel. And now we're taking some clear gel and topping that sticker with it, totally encasing it in gel so that it is encapsulated. You want it for the strength, but also so your sticker doesn't peel up, and a week from your manicure, you've just got a wing sticking up with no detail on it, because the detail, honestly, that's kind of what makes it magical. And so many ideas are coming to my head, even as I talk to you guys right now about this, about ways you could use these wings or this idea to create different 3D looks. Here's our wing. Now I'm going to peel that off. I think it's super important not to peel that off until you're done making it. So be gentle rubbing when you're cleaning the sticky layer off. Leave that wing on the plastic. Otherwise, it's going to be too hard to lose it, for it to go flipping across the room. You're going to have a hard time getting that second coat on top. Where are you going to hold it, right? So keep it on that paper. I feel like you could also do this on something like a backing paper, but again, it would have to be a clear kind. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to see your sticker. So definitely keep those clear plastics that you get a hold of, because they're invaluable in your collection, I think. There's stuff going on outside right now, and that's got the dog downstairs activated. Hey, Jakers. My dog wants to activate, but he's such a good boy. He's keeping it low key. He's like, woof, woof. Okay, I figured out what was going on. It's the lady who cuts my son-in-law's hair is here. So everybody had to have a meltdown before we could settle. So funny. So there are going to be 2 butterflies in this look. I am only going to show you the one, because the process is exactly the same across both butterflies. I just thought actually I would save that footage for a short or something, because that's just a great way to get more friends to come and join us here. The bigger the group, the more fun it is, I think. So there you go. Here we are. We're just finishing up. It's really fun. I had a great time making these wings. It's fun to pull it off and see. You can look at it in the light more, see if there's any spots you missed. It's a fun process. Now we are going to paint all of these nails all the way across this really pale jelly yellow. I would call it a milky jelly yellow. And we are going to do 2 coats across the entire thing, making it super pretty. I absolutely love this color. The gel is by Saviland, and I think it's a builder consistency, although there is not enough product there to build nails with, but you could totally do like a sandwich technique or something. Super, super pretty. So let's go ahead and just finish up this butterfly wing, and then I'll be right back. Now it's time for the butterfly bodies, and what I'm going to use for that are some really pretty gems. They're going to have little gem bodies. So we're going to do 3 gems for each butterfly, and then I will show you how we're going to attach those wings. All right, so after giving that resin a few seconds to dry, actually like 2 minutes, we're gonna come in with some clear poly gel, and this is by Rosalind, and I'm just gonna put it down right next to the gems, being super, super careful not to get it on top of the gems. If you do, when you're using your alcohol to clean everything up and to make it nice and neat where you want it, you can clean that off the top, so don't forget to make sure you do that, because otherwise your gems are just gonna look like a green blob or blue blob, whatever color blob. Now here's the tricky part. You're gonna set that in, holding your nail at an angle when you put it in the lamp. If you put it in the lamp straight, your wing is gonna fall down, and it is not going to stand up the way you want it to. It will cure down. You'll ruin your whole nail and you'll have to start over. So it's super important you hold your nail at an angle, set your wing in so it's standing straight up and down, not the nail up and down, the wing straight up and down, and then put it in the lamp and hold it that way. Then after about 20 seconds, so you can see, I'm showing you right there, it will fall right down. Hold it in an angle and then pop it in the lamp. You want the wing to be straight up and down. We're going to go ahead and do that one more time with this other nail. That nail that we just did, that was your first look at the green butterfly. Sorry, I should have pointed that out, but I was being very emphatic about how you have to do the wing, and it's very important. Maybe there's a gel out there that would let you just do it, you know, holding the nail straight up and down instead of to an angle. I don't have one of those, so if you do, let me know what it is. But the angle trick works, and it really only takes like 10 or 20 seconds in the lamp, and then you can set it down. But you do need to do it at an angle and this is a stiff polygel too, so it's not like this is a runny polygel. It stays exactly where you put it. That's why I chose this one. I don't think you could really do this that easily, not as easily as this with a builder gel. But if you try it, let me know, because I want to know how you did it. Maybe if you had one of those little flashy lights or something, or one of those little snaky lights. Now I added some more gems. I skipped that. I did not. I have footage of it, and maybe we'll use it for a short in the future. But just this video is starting to get a little long, so I decided to go ahead and just skip the gems. You guys know how they go on. You just watched me do it. I also added a few more stickers to the nails, but just in a 2D situation, not a 3D situation. Guys, I don't even know what to say about how much I love these nails. They give me a ton of joy. The butterflies, to my mind, are just perfection. I could not be more thrilled with them. They're just magical. They're magical. I definitely feel like an idea is brewing in my mind to use some more wings like this for something else. I'm going to keep that a secret. Shh, 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 shh. You'll see when I get to it. So that's on the list of things to try to tackle. I'm going to have to really work with my artistic skills on that one. Also on this video, guys, I was the model for the reveal shot, so make sure you stick around for that. And don't forget, at 500 subscribers, we've got a fantastic giveaway coming up. So don't forget to click that button, as it will also make me super duper happy. So thank you. This is our finished set. Look at how delicate those wings look. They're magical. When I look at them, I feel magical. And just so proud that I made this look happen. So I hope you like them as much as I do. Guys, I love this set. I wish that I had a lifestyle where a set of nails like this would last on me for any length of time, but I'm not positive they would. And that's why, since I'm not wearing any nails, I decided to be the model for the reveal shots. I hope you like those as well. We are going to see you next week for some more awesome videos. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you next time. Mwah! Bye-bye.